take. Faith is our guiding light, spreading love and hope, turning darkness into bright. Joe, 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 God makes miracles. Joe, 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 you are here to show. Help others to believe they can shine, they can glow. Joe, 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 Joe. In the hearts of many, a spark begins to rise. With kindness and compassion, we can reach the sky. Joe, 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 show them miracles. Joe, 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 you know who I am. Joe, 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 God makes miracles every day. Joe, Joe, Joe. Hold hands and we unite across the world so wide.
When you see an artist's work online, show your support. A like, comment, or share can make a huge difference. It fuels their passion and inspires them to create more. Take a second to appreciate their hard work and show them some love.